Hmm. Hey, all, Dr. Ray here, Chiropractic Plus. Hey, we've got an event coming up. It's June the 3rd at 6:30 p.m. It's called Bulletproof Immunity. Now, we're going to talk a lot about immune function, and one thing we're going to spend some time on is histamines, all right? Now, histamines has to do with allergic reactions. It are of antihistamines, the itchy eyes, the nose, the can't breathe, the throats, the things that are histamine reactions. Now, histamines basically come from something called eosinophils, which are the specific type of white blood cell that would affect these pollens and things like that. So it releases. But did you know, and this is the important part, that histamine reactions not only affect allergies and immune function, but also affects your brain and your adrenal glands. So during a histamine reaction, when that's occurring, not only are you going to get the potential sinus problems, but it can also lead to brain fog, difficulty concentrating, irritability, and trouble with your adrenal glands, leading to things like panic attacks, anxiety, a whole slew of things. And do you really think the solution for that is going to be antidepressant medications, maybe some Xanax for your anxiety attacks, or maybe we need to balance out your adrenals? I don't know, or balance out that histamine reaction. Well, that's coming up, and we're going to have some specific supplementation to help you through that process, and so you can get rid of this histamine reaction. Seems to hit you every single spring or all winter or whenever it's occurring. But we're going to get that balanced out for you, and it's June the 3rd at 6:30 p.m. So save that date and get your ticket, and make sure you do tell others. This is how we grow this mission. So make sure you're coming to that event, Chiropractic Plus. And again, you can call the office if you're not watching this in the office. It's 303 254 8430, and reserve your seat and reserve your ticket. So looking forward to seeing you there. Have a great one. Bye-bye.